Hey guys, this is Al the Architect here again with another amazing video on how to find cheap airfare, both domestic and international. The last video, part one, you had to be a little more flexible to find good airfare. But this video is for those that have a specific date in mind, but cannot decide, where you want to go on vacation. So that whether it be a weekend, a getaway, whether it be a week vacation, 2 weeks, whether you want to get away for a month, whatever your duration is and whatever your time frame is, you can use this video and this trick and this hack to find really great prices pretty cheap using Kayak Explorer. I like to use Kayak. You can also use Google Flights because they have the same option, but I love using Kayak. So let's get started. Let's just say I am in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I don't know where I want to go, but it's wintertime and I want to go somewhere that's warm. I do know that for certain. And I do have my time frame where I can take vacation for a week, let's say. Thing you want to do, go to Kayak, go to Explore, usually the globe option on the left. You click on that. And now for my departure airport, you want to make sure we have your closest airport, wherever you want to depart from. I chose Charlotte, North Carolina. Anywhere, you don't know where you want to go, so leave that blank. And for the date range, you can do, for a range, you can either choose a month or you can choose a duration, which has a scale from 1 day to 14 plus days. But since I have an exact date in mind, I want to use exact date. So then we come and we want to select a date range. Let's say I want to leave in February. Let's say February the 25th through, let's say March the 3rd. Let's just make this a whole week. Okay, now you have the map. Now you can do one or two things. You either look at the map or you can look at the display cards that under Explore Destinations. You can bring that up. I like to look at the map. So I'll bring the map up and let's look at options where I can fly out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and see the best prices I can find, like in the Caribbean, where I can get some sun, maybe at the beach during the winter. We have Miami. Miami is a good option for 128. That's 128 round trip from Charlotte. We have options to Cancun for 240. Some of you may like going to places like Colombia, Cartagena for 378. You're in Medellin for 276. Santo Domingo for 267. These are some great options. That's Jamaica. Jamaica is a popular destination. Montego Bay. Let's do that. Let's choose Montego Bay and see what kind of prices we actually get. All right. Kayak has pulled up all the prices. You can also choose airlines. We have Spirit. We have American Airlines. So American Airlines and Spirit is probably the most popular way to get there from Charlotte. Looking at these prices, to the best, which is a non-stop flight from Charlotte for less than 3 hours, going to and from Montego Bay for under $500. That's $479. I can buy a round trip ticket to Montego Bay for $500. For the cheapest option, I have Spirit Airlines. Now, Spirit Airlines is going to take about 14 hours to get there with layover. It looks like in Fort Lauderdale and coming back also in Fort Lauderdale. So this is an option if you have the time, if you wanted to save a few extra bucks. to get to Montego Bay, this is a great option here also. So these are the prices. Again, this tip is for those that do not know where they want to go for vacation, but have a specific date range in mind, and want to leave out of their home airport or airport closest to them. So guys, this is another tip and trick. So keep this in your pocket for your next travels. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you use this trick, and let me know how this worked out for you in the end. All right. Thanks, guys.